Welcome to our channel, fellow nature enthusiasts. Today, we venture into the often overlooked corners of the plant kingdom, those remarkable species that thrive not in the blazing sun, but in the subtle embrace of the shade. Yes, far from being barren wastelands, low-light environments both indoors and out, are home to a captivating array of plants, each uniquely adapted to flourish in the shadows. So, whether you're looking to brighten a dim office corner or add a touch of life to a shadowy room, join me as we uncover the best low-light plants for your home. Our journey begins with a true champion of low-light survival, the Sansevieria trifasciata, better known as the snake plant. Its striking sword-like leaves, painted with intricate patterns of green, are a testament to its hardiness. Originating from the arid regions of Africa, the snake plant has evolved to withstand prolonged periods of drought, storing precious moisture within its thick, succulent leaves. This remarkable adaptation also allows it to thrive in low-light conditions, efficiently utilizing whatever rays it can capture. With its striking appearance, air-purifying qualities and low-maintenance needs, the snake plant is a true marvel of adaptation. Our next subject hails from the tropical regions of Eastern Africa, yet thrives in the depths of our homes, the Zamioculcas zamiifolia, affectionately known as the ZZ plant. This botanical marvel, with its glossy dark green leaves, possesses an almost architectural beauty. Its stems, adorned with perfectly symmetrical leaflets, rise from thick, rhizomatous roots that store water, enabling the plant to endure prolonged periods of drought. It can photosynthesize efficiently, even with minimal sunlight, making it an ideal choice for darker corners and rooms with limited natural light. For those seeking a touch of effortless greenery, the ZZ plant is an excellent choice. Prepare to be enchanted by the Epipremnum aureum, better known as the pothos, a plant whose beauty is as captivating as its resilience. Native to the Solomon Islands, this evergreen vine has gracefully adorned homes and offices for generations. Its heart-shaped leaves, often splashed with vibrant hues of yellow, white, or lime green, cascade gracefully from hanging baskets or climb tenaciously up moss poles, adding a touch of the tropics to any setting. This adaptable plant thrives in a variety of light conditions, tolerating low light with remarkable resilience. Beyond its adaptability, the pothos is also known for its air-purifying qualities. Easy to propagate and relatively low maintenance, the pothos is an excellent choice for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts alike. Our exploration now leads us to a plant whose very name speaks volumes about its hardiness, the Aspidistra elachior, more commonly known as the cast iron plant. This remarkable species, native to the shadowy forest floors of Japan and Taiwan, has truly earned its reputation for resilience. As its name suggests, the cast iron plant possesses an almost ironclad constitution, capable of withstanding conditions that would send other plants wilting. The cast iron plant thrives in the shade, its deep green sword-like leaves efficiently capturing whatever sunlight filters through the canopy. It's also remarkably resistant to pests and diseases, making it a low-maintenance choice for even the busiest plant parent. With its understated beauty, remarkable hardiness, and air-purifying qualities, the cast iron plant is a true survivor. Our journey concludes with a plant known for its serene beauty and air-purifying prowess, the Spathiphyllum, more commonly known as the peace lily. Originating from the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, the peace lily brings a touch of exotic elegance to any indoor space. Its dark green, glossy leaves, often reaching upwards like graceful hands, create a sense of tranquility and peace. This remarkable plant is a champion air purifier, effectively removing harmful toxins from the air we breathe. With its graceful beauty, air-purifying qualities, and adaptability to low-light conditions, the peace lily is a true treasure of the plant kingdom. As we've discovered, the world of low-light plants is far from limited. These resilient and beautiful species demonstrate that life finds a way, even in the most challenging of environments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more plant-astic adventures, and let us know in the comments which low-light plant you're excited to welcome into your home. Happy planting!